In today's video, we'll talk about why your Sony TV is blinking green and orange and how to fix it. Let's get started. A connection problem in the power supply and T-Con boards is the likely culprit for the blinking lights. Although the meaning of the flashing LED lights can differ from model to model, the most common reason is an error with the power supply board or the T-Con board. Here's what you can do. First, unscrew and open the TV. Check the fuse between the T-Con and the power supply board for continuity. If there's no problem, disconnect the LVDS cable from the T-Con board and the cable between the main and the T-Con boards. Reconnect the circuits and see if the issue is resolved. Another possible cause for your Sony TV blinking green and orange is a system error. If your TV is experiencing a minor system malfunction, it can blink green and orange to indicate that something's wrong and the appliance needs a reset. Here is how to do it. Turn off your Sony TV and unplug the appliance from its power outlet. Allow it to rest undisturbed for a minute. Plug it back into the electricity outlet and turn it back on. And that's it. Thanks for watching till next time.